Looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Makita, XFD10R 18 volts compact lithium-ion 1/2 inch. Great power, superb battery, and extremely fast charging. A professional grade tool at a price high-end DIYers can afford. More expensive than its rivals, but you do get what you pay for. At number 2. DeWALT, DCD 771C 220 volts max lithium-ion 1/2 inch. Nothing beats it for torque output. Outstanding reputation for reliability. Well priced. A hugely popular kit, and for good reason. A bit heavier than the other drills we tested. At number 1. Hitachi, DS18's 18 volt 1/2 inch lithium-ion. Best blend of all-around performance. Scores well in every category. Very well liked by buyers. An excellent package at a solid value. If we're being picky, slightly slower top speed when drilling. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.